Yeah.
I need to talk May 2025 or 16 for the submission of representations, both on warning and
Wasn't fixing, she hit my head first. And then when I turned around, she hit my mouth.
So she hit both the back of your head and the mouth using the body.
Injured badly, so the doctor told me he couldn't attend to them at the clinic, and then he transferred me to Kisani Barabani or find him on the phone. So there was an incident whereby she came to my home outside of the fence to get me.
Yes, you can stay there. Where they are.
She was calling me a bitch and saying I'm not going to break her up with my brother, who she was, she had already broken up with him at the time. And she said, no matter what I do, I'm not gonna, even if I open a case, it's not gonna go anywhere because she can pay for it to go away.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sola. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. I know I'm probably late reporting on this, but a popular Sangoma Ogugoma whose real name is Makgotso Mofokeng, appeared in the Pretoria Magistrate Court in Soweto on Monday the 5th of May. Now, this marked the start of her assault trial related to an alleged incident that took place back in 2019. Gogomaweni, who is known for her bold persona on social media, appeared very calm, composed in court, of course, dressed in a colorful cardigan and camouflage pants. However, the courtroom atmosphere turned tense as the first witness took to the stand. The state's witness, Celiwe Khulu, is also the complainant in the case. She shared her side of the story, of course, accusing Gogomaweni of launching a surprise attack on her during a heated confrontation. She said, I received a call and went to see my boyfriend outside. She came from behind and started insulting me, and then she hit me with a bottle on my head, and when I turned around, she hit me on my face, and then my tooth broke, and I had a very big cut on my lip. Kulu said she was taken to the Chiawelo clinic by the cops after reporting the incident at Maroka police station. But things didn't end there. I went to Maroka police station and I was told I needed medical attention first, and they escorted me to the clinic. When we arrived, we found the accused there. She continued insulting me and I was removed from the situation. She was calling me a bitch and told me even if I opened a case, she will pay for it to go away, she added. Other witnesses which are expected to testify in the matter include Mbali Zulu, Nandi Zulu, and Balenhle Mbokazi, Gogomaweni, who is pregnant with twins with a very visible stomach. Her legal representative, Advocate Rian Kissing, requested that the case be postponed as her client wasn't feeling well. The accused is 6 months pregnant. She has certain challenges, complaining about the headaches, more particular migraine. She is complaining that she feels dizzy and she is experiencing certain cramps. Sikking said. Now, the Magistrate Genevieve Tyrrell granted the postponement, remanding the matter to Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025.